Hi guys and welcome to this Google Drive crash course. First we are going to access Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com inside the address bar. You need to make sure to sign in into your Google account. The second way to open Google Drive is just by clicking here and then select Google Drive. In the next step I'm going to show you how to create a file in Google Drive. Click on the plus new button on the left and then select any of these. For example, here under Google Sheets, we are going to create a blank spreadsheet. Here you can rename your file and once you press enter, it is auto-saved. So guys, here you are free to play with your creativity. Then I'm going to show you how to upload a file. Click on the new button on the left side again. Click File Upload. Then select any file you want to upload from your drive. And here you are, you can see the file is already here inside the list inside your Google Drive. You can also just make the window smaller and yes, drag and drop inside Google Drive. That's how easy it is. If you want to change the view, how you personally view at Google Drive, you can change it from the list to icons, or you can also go back to the list layout. To organize your drive and your files inside, you can create folders. Click on plus new and new folder. Then give it a name and click on create. Just drag and drop all the files you want to insert inside the new folder. Create as many folders you need to organize your drive. Then I'm going to show you how to share and collaborate in Google Drive. Click on the three dots on the right side of any file and click on share. Then type in any people you want to share the document or file with. For example, here just type in and select the one you want. Then you will get the options to make him a viewer, a commenter or an editor. If you want them only to view this document or file, just select viewer. If you uncheck this notify people, you have no option to add a message. If you check it again, you can write something to notify the people. On the bottom left of this window, you can also copy the link and yes, paste it anywhere or just click on send. And that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.